Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labor all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife. My best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
Nuri Granth, page 127. Ram Batyun Tu Bar. रहम में राम बतियूं तू बार, महर में राम पियाली पियार, की न मंगा ब्यो कुछ तो दर, महर में कर मुखे सेक सितार, बख्शीश आसीस तू दे मूं, अंदर मुझे उकीर उधार, वक्त वने प्यो तवे सर में, हाण कर तू मुखे तुरत तैयार, साल विन्यायम कीन सुन्यातम, डियारी अडिहड़े दे दीदार, नूरी निमाणी अथई वेगाणी, ज्योत जगाई तथे जयकार, ज्योत जगाए तथे जयकार। दयालु कर्यारती गुरुदेव दयालु कर्यारती हाक तेरा दे कदमन मारे गुरुदेव दयालु कर्यारती गुरुदेव दयालु कर्यारती बहुत दिनादर आहि दयालु
दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर कर्या माताऊं
दुख दर्द में एक दादर के वर वर कर्या माताऊं दुख दर्द में एक दादर के वर वर कर्या माताऊं
दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर कर्या कृपाल आहे सद दयाल
कृपाल आहे सद दयाल कृपाल आहे सद दयाल
हमेशा
कृपाल आहे सद दयाल
हमेशा उनाया हूँ
हमेशा बनाया
दुख दर्द में एक दादल के वर वर कर्या माताऊं
दुख दर्द में एक दादर के वर वर कर्या माताऊं
लिखाए छिपाए ऊंधे में अचिया दिया आफत बिना
दिखाई छुपाई ऊंधे में अजिया दिया तत बिना दिखाई छुपाई ऊंधे में अजिया दिया तत बिना
लिखाई छुपाई ऊंधे में
अजिया दिया तत बिना
सुपनन में सौंपे दीदार पंहिंजो
सुपनन में सौंपे दीदार पंहिंजो सुपनन में सौंपे दीदार पंहिंजो सुपनन में सौंपे दीदार पंहिंजो
अची पाण कीअं चयाऊं
पाण कीअं चयाऊं
दुख दर्द में एक दादल के वर वर कर्या माताऊं
दुख दर्द में एक दादल के वर वर कर्या माताऊं
दर्द अथई पहिरियो ॾाको अञा मथे तोखे चरणो आहे
दर्द पहिरियो ॾाको अञा मथे तोखे चरणो आहे दर्द अथई पहिरियो ॾाको अञा मथे तोखे चरणो आहे
दर्द अथई
पहिरियो ॾाको अञा मथे तोखे चरणो आहे
मिलण चाही महबूबन खे
मिलण चाही महबूबन खे मिलण चाही महबूबन खे मिलण चाही महबूबन खे
सभायुनि मां तोखे लंघणो आहे
मायुनि मां तोखे लंघणो
दुख दर्द में खे वर वर कर्या
दुख दर्द में फिक्र तोखे करनो जे हाल में तोखे रखे न फिक्र तोखे करनो
तकलीफ सकती सूर में
तकलीफ सदी सूर में तकलीफ सदी सूर में तकलीफ सदी सूर में
शुक्र में तोखे रहणो आ
शुक्र में
तोखे रहणो आ दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर करया मदाऊं दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर करया आई की न अकेली अंजलि आया तो सा हमेशा साण
आई की न
अकेली अंजलि आया तो सा
हमेशा साही कील अकेली अंजलि आया तो सा हमेशा साही कील अकेली
अंजलि आया तो सा
हमेशा
परूरिया तू तने पाई
परूरिया तू तने पाई परूरिया तू तने पाई
परूरिया तू तने
पाई
विञाई जने पंहिंजो पाण
जने
पंहिंजो दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर करया मनाऊं दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर करया मनाऊं दुख दर्द में एक दादल खे वर वर करया मनाऊं ओ वर वर करया मनाऊं वर वर करया मनाऊं
गुरुदेव प्यारे दादा हमारे 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 राधा श्याम प्यारी संगत छा थियो हाणे अञा गुरुदेव प्यारे गायव अमृता तव्हांजी शक्ति पुल आउट करे छॾी छा कम ऑन दादा श्याम अञा ज़ोर सां दादा श्याम असां मां केतिरा फॉर्चुनेट आहियूं ब्रादर सभई ॼणा असीं केतिरा फॉर्चुनेट आहियूं त असांखे सत्संग मिलियो आहे केतिरनि खे ख़ुशी आहे हिन ॻाल्हि जी केतिरा सम्झनि था कि असीं लकी आहियूं कि असांखे सत्संग मिलियो आहे ओके सो वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल टू दादा वन एंड ओनली वन दादा फॉर गिविंग अस दिस ब्यूटिफुल सेंटर प्यारा दादा ही वॉज नॉट जस्ट अ डियरेस्ट गुरु teacher, guide. He was an epitome of love and humility. No one as humble as him. So much to learn from him. He touched our lives with love and to teach us that God is in service, in forgiveness and in bhakti. प्यारे दादा के हमेशा लगंदो हो कि भक्ति is the only and the easiest way to God. That's why he always encouraged us to do kirtan and kirtan on regular basis, kirtan many times a day, kirtan anytime and every time. असीं सब प्यारे दादा जा तहे दिल शुक्रगुज़ार आहियूं त असांखे प्यारे दादा चूंडियो आहे He has chosen us to be his disciples. If he wouldn't have chosen us, we would be nowhere exactly, and more so that we all are fortunate that we have got this human birth in the era when our beloved Dada got a human birth, just came in a human form just for us. So how many of you believe that we are all fortunate? Maybe asama घणे ॼणा आहिनि हिते जिनखे दादा सां 1-to-1 मिलण जो मौक़ो मिलियो आहे घणी असीं आहियूं ओके many of us are those who have been fortunate to be as close to him to touch the hem of his garment. Dada used to always say this, that for usually in connection for Sadhu Vaswani, ki even if you touch the hem of your guru's garment, you are blessed. So most of us are fortunate. There are so many who have not seen Dada के घणे आहिनि हिन सत्संग में ही जिनखे वो मौक़ो कोन मिलियो दादा सां गॾिजण जो पर हू दादा जे सत्संग सां अची जुड़िया आहिनि So many of us are there, but we are all fortunate that we are able to absorb all his teachings, his love, his presence, his guidance every now and then at every step. Let me share one incident with you. When beloved Dada did the opening of this center, he chose me to be responsible for the satsang part of it. So the very first question on the day of the opening, earlier before our center was there, we were doing satsangs every week, every Wednesday, in Ram Pyari Mandir or in Jaika's house, in Avinash's house. It was like every week we had one satsang. But when Dada opened this center, so I just very casually asked him, I thought it's going to be relaxed, it'll be once a week. So I told him, Dada, satsang kade kandasi? He said, Rose. I said, Rose? In a place like Bombay, who is going to come every day? He said, Asi Rose hi kanda आहियूं. Actually, 3 दफ़ा ॾींहं में, पर वो न थी सघे त रोज़. We can't do Sunday. We have to do every day. So I told him, Dada, it's really impossible for people like in Bombay to come for satsang every day. And this is 16 years ago. So he said, a person like me, I am born and brought up in Pune. For me, satsang was a daily practice. Means I have to go to satsang every day. I have to go to samadhi, and I have to meet Dada every day. That was my daily ritual. So coming from there and seeing people in Bombay, I never felt that people will really come. So he told me that भले 4 ॼणा ईंदा न, मां पंजो हूंदुसि. And then I was okay, ठीक है. And a few years later, maybe I think 2 years after that, it was Sadhu Vaswani's birthday, and we happened to celebrate Sadhu Vaswani's birthday at this center only. And there were many people, as on Dada's birthday and Guru Purnima, Sadhu Vaswani's birthday. There are a lot of people. सॼो हॉल भरिजी वेंदो आहे, हेठि बि भरिजी वेंदो आहे. We have more than 350-400 people. So it was a very good program. Everything went off well. Of course, there was lot of crowd. Lot of Sangat had come, Dada's grace. So after that, when we went to Pune, he told me, how was the program? I said, very nice, Dada. So he said, मूंखे ख़बर अथई मां आयो हुउसि, पर मूं ॾिठो एतिरी संगत हुई, सॼो हॉल भरियल हो, हेठि बि भरियल हो, मथे बि भरियल हो, ऐं मां अची बीह रहियसि. मूंखे विहण जी जॻह कोन मिली. And I had tears in my eyes that even now. So I was like, how? He came and we didn't have place to make him sit. And he told me, na pyari, yeah na. But that gave me one assurance for life that he comes here every day. Yes. He's here every day. So now that I will request all of you, ताकि एक proof आहे कि दादा अचे तो. Maybe many of you must have experienced, lot of people have told us that we do experience Dada's presence here. So जेतिरा हद ताईं अची सघो वॾे तइदाद में अचो. सुभाणे दादा जी वरसी आहे. दादा हमेशह असांखे इहे ई चवंदा आहिनि कि संतनि सतपुरखनि जी वरसी most blessed day. उन ते ज़रूरु अचो, अची प्रसाद वठो, लंगर वठो, लंगर खाईंदा. तव्हां सभिनी खे अॼु क्लिप बि आयो हूंदो. प्यारी दीदी जो बि इहो ई मैसेज आहे त संतनि सतपुरखनि जी वरसी, उन ते पाण संत सतपुरख and even all the lords in heaven, they come and they are present. त तव्हां सभिनी खे वेनती आहे सुभाणे ज़रूरु अचो. जेतिरनि खे इन्फॉर्म करे सघो अचनि, ज़रूरु अची सत्संग में शामिलु थियनि. दादा खे कीर्तन वणंदो हो. He felt that is the easiest way. And today we all, at least I think all my singing friends, they feel that singing the kirtan is the easiest way to attain God. So let us come and join in this kirtan yagna tomorrow. सब अची प्रसाद खाइजो, लंगर वरताइजो. जेतिरनि खे इन्फॉर्म करे सघो. तव्हांजा भले नॉन सिंधी फ्रेंड्स बि आहिनि, उहे बि अचनि. बिकॉज कीर्तन हैज़ नो रिलीजन, नो लैंग्वेज एट ऑल. त जेतिरनि खे तई इन्फॉर्म कयो, ज़रूरु अचनि ऐं आसीस वठनि. You heard my touching experience, yes, but now let us go forward to hear from our Sangat, जिनजी लाइफ प्यारे दादा टच कई है, जिनके पंहिंजा एक्सपीरियंस आहिनि प्यारे दादा सां. So we call upon our first favorite Kavita auntie to please come up on stage. I don't know that you cancelled your name. Come. Today she gave me her job to do, but I failed.
Not at all. Dada Shah. What do you say?
He was
Dada, my guru and my mentor. Please accept my humble pranams, dear Dada and Didi, at thy lotus feet. My humble pranams to my fellow satsangis, as I see Dada in each and every one of you. We are so blessed to be here amongst Dada's family. And as Reshma said, which is I had already planned, we are very fortunate to have been born on this earth in an era when Dada set foot on this earthly plane. So, Dada was a living God in human form. He had come down to the earth plane as a savior of humanity. Dada has and will always be my protector, my guide, my guardian, be it in the seen or the unseen. Pujya Gurudev's name is enshrined in the pages of history and in our hearts as an apostle of peace and love. Dada's simplicity and humility knows no bounds. It is limitless. I could relate an incident which I have had with Dada, but I think I would like to put forward my my emotions in the form of a bhajan, which I will dedicate to Dada. Reshma, I want to sing Keena Sunyana. Keena Sunyana. Okay. Keena Sunyana, Keena Majana, To bin Vyoma, Keena Pachana, Keena Sunyana, Keena Majana, To bin Vyoma, Keena Pachana, Aud Tuinge Asre, Aud Tuinge Asre, Dada, Aud Tuinge Asre, desire and prayer to Dada is that I get a glimpse of his radiant face and utter the name divine as I am on my transit to the other world. Thank you.
Now next we have Jaya Hemnani.
Pranams at the lotus feet of my beloved Gurudev, Pujya, Dada and Pyari Didi. Where would I be without you, Dada? He has been my anchor, my guide, my savior, my murshid. I feel truly blessed to belong to Sadhu Vaswani mission family. About 30 years ago, I felt a deep need for a guru who could guide me spiritually. I searched for almost a year. But remained confused. Then my mother lovingly suggested, I think Dada J.P. Vaswani is the right guru for you. I started attending Dada's satsangs, and on one discourse changed my life forever. Dada spoke so much about compassion, about animals. He said, don't make your stomach a graveyard. He reminded us that just as we love our children, animals too have families and feel the pain when they are separated or slaughtered. थोड़े स्वाद जे लाए बेजुबान जी हत्या करन पाप आहे. Those words touched my heart deeply. The very next day, when my husband asked what non-vegetarian food, because it was a Sunday morning, what should I buy? I told him, from today I have left the food of violence, because I told him exactly what Dada had said. And my son was sitting, he was just barely 9 years old, and he said, Papa, no non-veg for me too. By Dada's grace, it has been over 16 years now, no non-vegetarian food has entered my home. Life has certainly brought its share of challenges, but Dada's blessings, every difficulty has become easier to face. During the Mumbai floods of 2005, when my husband was stranded in chest-deep water, Dada's grace reached him through kind strangers who sheltered and helped him return home safely. To me, that was Dada's unseen hand protecting our family. Today, with folded hands, I only wish to say, if we become more compassionate and keep our faith in our Guru, in our Master, our lives are transformed from within. Thank you, Dada. We miss you, Dada. We love you, Dada, and we remain forever grateful for your grace. Dada ki, Dada ki, Dada ki. Thank you, Dada.
Thank you, Jaya. Now we call upon Vandana Jhangiani.
वॾा दादा, प्यारा दादा ऐं दादा परिवार खे मुंहिंजा प्रणाम ऐं नमस्कार. Dada Sham, thank you God, thank you Reshma for this golden opportunity to share my experience with beloved Dada. असल में मुंहिंजा पूज्य पिताजी श्री आलिमचंद वज़ीरानी जे करे असीं पूजनीय दादा जे संपर्क में आयासीं. ॿिन्ही जो पाण में ॾाढो प्यार हो. बेरे बेरे पुणे वेंदा हुआ ऐं दादा जी आसीस वठी सत्संग ॿुधी ईंदा हुआ. उहो प्यार दादा जे कमल चरणनि लाइ प्रीत मूंखे उन्हनि खां मिली आहे. No, not one but so many instances of Dada's grace and protection have been there on us. Once when we were coming from Pune on the expressway, there was a sudden cloud burst. Suddenly there was a flood and the car was moving very slowly. It was only God's grace, Dada's blessings that we reached Mumbai without even a scratch on us. So this is only one instance. Once there were some posters of Dada's program we had to put up at a few places. I had the poster in my hand and I didn't notice. I was rushing and there was 2 or 3 wires and I just walked and nothing happened to me. I could have tripped, but and Dada's poster in my hand and that wire, I was shocked. I said, see Dada, you're all the time protecting me. So all I have to say is that there'll be many cloud bursts in our lives. Badal phatar, as they say in Sindhi. But rugo Dada ke yaad karan ji der aaye, and he's there with you. There's a short poem I've written in this regard dedicated to beloved Dada. I just want to share that with you all. अजो के ॾींहुं असीं सभई पूजनीय दादा जी मिठियूं यादगिरियूं संभालण आया आहियूं. प्यारे दादा जा लख लख शुक्राना. टिप टिप ते दादा असांजी रिख्या कई आहे. देश परदेस में असांजी मदद कई आहे. ऐं जीअं असीं रोज़ ॻाईंदा आहियूं, तकलीफ़ और तंगी में एक तू ही मददगार उठाए हैं अंजलि के और हम सब के जन्मों के सारे भार. It's 100 and 1000% true, these lines. दादा अची लहंदा आइन संभाल, दादा जहिड़ो कोने असांजो रिकपाल. दादा जहिड़ो कोने असांजो रिकपाल. Thank you.
Thank you, Vandana. Now I call upon Poonam Thadani.
Dada Sham, everyone. Dada, the epitome of love, kindness and forgiveness. Today I would like to share a few small observations that I experienced along with many of my dear friends. Once after a satsang in Khar Gymkhana, there was a huge crowd gathered in front of the stage. Everyone was eagerly trying to get closer to Dada. Amidst all the pushing and jostling, Dada noticed a poor lady struggling to make her way through the crowd. He immediately called a volunteer and asked him to offer her his shawl. Even in the midst of so many people, his eyes found the one person who needed his compassion the most. The second incident was during Dada's birthday celebration at Dome. It was a very large event and all the volunteers had arrived early around lunchtime to help with the arrangements. Suddenly, there was a flurry of excitement. Dada was coming to meet the volunteers and personally oversee the preparations. We all stood in a line, hoping for his darshan. And as he came towards us, the very first question he asked was, "Have you all had lunch?" Looking around, he immediately arranged ice cream for everyone present there. Two different moments, the same Dada, both incidents beautifully reflect his empathy, kindness, and unconditional love for everyone. Dada's satsang is perhaps the only place where we always receive, and receive. Whether it's the delicious prasad, the invaluable lessons on living as one community, or the constant reminders to practice kindness, love, and compassion and forgiveness. These are the gifts that stay with us long after the satsang is over. The greatest gift Dada gave all of us is forgiveness, a gift that transforms hearts, heals relationships, and fills life with love and peace. To sum it all up, there is only one prayer in my heart. Dada, please hold my hand and never let it go. Thank you, dear everyone, for listening to my small experiences of our dear Dada. I would also like to thank Reshma and Kavita auntie for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my experiences. Love and light to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam. Now we call upon Varsha.
दादा श्याम,
Dada Shyam.
मैं कभी दादा से तो नहीं मिली लेकिन मैं सत्संग में कैसे आई थोड़ा मैं वो शेयर करना चाहूँगी। मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, वो थाने में रहती है, अच्छी फ्रेंड है और वो दादा की फॉलोवर है। तो जब भी दादा का 2022 या 23 में साधना कैंप था उधर शिरडी में, मुझे साईं बाबा में बहुत विश्वास है। तो उसने बोला साईं में साधना कैंप होती है और बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, तेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। मैंने बोला मेरे को सत्संग में और इसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मैं चलूँगी लेकिन मैं सत्संग अटेंड नहीं करूँगी और मैं मंदिर में घूमूँगी तो उसने बोला ठीक है तू चल तो सही। और उसने मुझे कुछ बताया भी नहीं कैसे रूल्स होते हैं कि सत्संग से वहाँ साधना कैंप से नहीं जा सकते हैं। उसने वहाँ पे गई, 3 दिन की साधना कैंप थी। तीनों दिन में मैंने खाली एक ही बार मैं मंदिर गई क्योंकि वहाँ पे पूरा दिन इतने प्रोग्राम्स थे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा। और इससे पहले मैं एक्चुअली जया हेमनानी मेरी लेबर है, वो हमेशा बोलती थी चल दादा के यहाँ सत्संग है कि बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, ऐसे अच्छा प्रोग्राम है। तो मैं बोलती हाँ चलूँगी, बिज़ी हूँ ये वो ऐसे, क्योंकि मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं था और कभी देखा नहीं था। साधना कैंप के बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लगने लगा, यहाँ वहाँ से मैं आई और मैं समझती हूँ इमीडिएट मतलब जल्दी से ही मैंने सत्संग अटेंड किया। ऑलमोस्ट मैं रेगुलर ही आती हूँ ऐसे। तो ऐसे अच्छा लगता है, बोलते हैं ना ये ज़िंदगी भी सफल तभी होती है कि नाम सिमरन करो, गुरु की छत्र छाया हो, सत्संग का साथ हो। मैं नाम सिमरन करती थी लेकिन ये सत्संग अटेंड करना या किसी गुरु के अंडर में वो मेरे पास नहीं था। जैसे ही इधर आती हूँ तो ऐसे सब हो जाता है ऐसे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Varsha. Now she is one of the most regular satsangis. She is there almost every day and the most efficient volunteer also. She participates in every Sheva. Thank you, Varsha. Now I will call upon our dearest Dr. Anaga.
Dada Sham, everyone. I have prepared something, but I don't know whether I'm going to say something from this. Okay. Myself, Dr. Anagha Patwardhan, associated with Bandra Center for last almost around 8 to 9 years. Firstly, I will like to thank Sir Ramir Chandani, who gave me an opportunity to be in this satsang hall right in front of you and serve you as a doctor over here. Here I will like to tell, that day I came for the interview with Sir. And as soon as I stepped my first, even right now I'm getting goosebumps when I'm talking to you. I stepped my first feet in the center, this thing, and I thought that, yes, this is the place. I don't know whether I'm going to get this job or not. I'm not sure about it. But yes, I think I got some or the other in my body. And I told that, yes, this is the place. And I was searching for someone who is going to help me out. I think all the office people were sitting in the office room. And I think Ram sir was talking to someone. So they told me to just sit. And I just peeped inside this satsang hall. And I saw these two photos. Till that time, I knew about Dada Vaswani. He's a very spiritual leader. He practices, he gives good things and good. But till that time, I had never seen his photo or something. I just came inside. I bowed to him. Now, I'm usually, we Maharashtrians, we believe in Swami Samartha. And I'm a very staunch follower of Swami Samartha. I bowed myself and I just looked at his photo. And even now, I can see Swami Samartha in his face. I don't know what, but I can still see. Even today, before I sit on my chair, even now I say Dada Sham and I say Swami Samartha Tarak Mantra, what we say. And I say that and I sit on my chair. I don't know, now this has become a habit for me. Whenever I'm disturbed because of some other, even I am a doctor, but still I'm a human being also. So I have many incidents in my life also in which I had to think. I become a little bit depressed when I lost my parents and all like that. I used to come in front of this photo and I just used to talk to him. I used to talk to him as a friend. Ki, please give me an answer for this. Why this is happening and all like that. And at that time, I still remember, I see Dada with his open hands, and that's it. I don't talk to him further. Ki, I am in his, that hug I can just literally feel. Then I was very fortunate, even my husband, Dr. Mandar, was very fortunate. Ram uncle, as soon as he appointed me that, yes, Dr. Nanaga, you can start your OPD in Bandra Center, there was one program in National College. And Ram uncle took us to the stage. It was so crowded. He introduced us to Dada. I just bowed my head down and Dada placed his hand on my head as well as Dr. Manda's head. Ram uncle just told that these are the new doctors who are going to conduct the OPD. And I just went with the flow. But when I came from the stage, I got that touch, I could even feel, how come I was so fortunate to go just simply over there. So I think my first foot that was in this center, I knew that this is my place to be here. So I think to sum up, for me, Dada in simple words, the smiling saint who taught world that true spirituality is being good and doing good with joy, forgiveness, and love for all. And I still practice forgiveness myself. I tell so many of my patients, please read the books which are being kept over here. I tell my patients, forgiveness is one of the most important prayer which we have to practice. In the night, we should never sleep with a grudge in our stomach, and we should be sleeping with a free mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Now we call upon Dipti Teliani. Okay. We call upon Muskan. If there is anyone apart from these people who are speaking who want to share any experience, any transformation, कुछ भी तांखे कीअं ताईं सत्संग आया, कीअं दादा सां ताईं जुड़िया, भले तव्हां दादा सां कोन गॾिया आहियो पर त बि तव्हांखे कुझु एक्सपीरियंस हुजे शेयर करण लाइ त ज़रूरु पंहिंजो हथु मथे खणिजो. You want to, Auntie? Yes, after she finishes.
Dada Sham, everybody. My humble obeisances to our gurus, our masters, Dada and Didi. I'm going to share a very life-changing experience of mine with Dada. So dear SVM family, I'm very shaken today because I'm still trembling because of that experience, but I will share it with you. So I've been very deeply blessed to have been seen Dada and heard Dada on several occasions, right from when I was studying in college. And there's only one opportunity which I had to meet him personally, one-on-one. And that memory I will cherish with my heart forever. I was only 23 years old. I was working as a lecturer in St. Mira's College. And it was the 21st of November, 2020. In 2000. I'm 20. It was the 21st of November in the year 2000 when I was a lecturer and I was working. And Dada had come just before Bade Dada's celebrations. He had come to bless all the teachers and the students. And I remember very clearly when he entered the sanctuary, his presence, I mean, everybody was so drawn to his divine presence and everybody immediately smiled. And we teachers went and bowed to him, and he bowed back to us. And he said, I need your blessings. And I remember when he said that, I had never ever witnessed such humility in my life. Of course, at that point, I was engaged to be married in Mumbai, so I had mentioned to my principal, Dr. Gulshan Kidwani, that, ma'am, I would like to talk to him. So she urged me that you go and speak to him. So then they told me when he was leaving the hall, they told me go to the car and speak to him. So they told me to go inside the car. It was a Zen white color car. And as I entered the car, I had gone with a question. I actually wanted to talk to him about my sister's future. But I saw him and I couldn't speak. Just like I can't speak today. I completely was overwhelmed by his eyes and his face, and I only cried. And I only cried. And he looking at me, telling me, say, what do you want to say? And I said, I couldn't speak. And he touched my head and he said, you can speak to me. And I said, then someone else said, Dada, she's going to be married soon. She's engaged and she's going to be married soon, so please bless her. So he blessed me and he gave me a card. And the card had St. Mira's picture on it, which was given by the college to Dada. And he said, you keep this card with you and you be like St. Mira. At that time, I didn't understand what he said. I wanted to talk to him, but I was still crying. And then they told me, you have to go. So I left the car. Of course, I got married. They came to Mumbai, but that card was with me and is with me till today. I did not understand the meaning of the card. I did not understand what it meant. But I just kept it and I kept praying to him. Years later, when we lost Dada in his physical form, I felt I lost everything. I lost everything because I felt I had lost the opportunity to meet him. Could not work in St. Mira's. I was in Bombay. I was serving my mother-in-law and was very busy with my home life because she had dementia and I was not able to. So I felt lost. It was only thanks to Reshma, actually, that I actually went and took his blessings when he passed away. When I went to Pune, that was my husband urged me that you please go and seek his blessings. So I went, and thanks to her, I went and sought his blessings. And then after that, it was when Yashna finished her 10th grade, and she was, we felt that she was always into singing, so we felt that she should first render her voice to the center before anything else. We didn't want her to, render her voice anywhere else. So I remember I spoke to Reshma and I said, I would like to enroll my daughter with you all, and I would like her to sing. And of course, it was COVID, so it was not possible. She said, yeah, I will keep that in mind. Can you send me a recording? And so but it was in the year 2020 that finally I understood the meaning of that card and the meaning of that message, because literally 20 years later, I think her recording was on the 21st of November, and it got, actually, the kirtan that she sung for Guru was on the 30th of November, which is my wedding anniversary, which is Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday. And when I heard that kirtan, and she sang, I wept again, because I finally understood what he meant. He said, he meant that I had to be like Saint Meera, and I had to have that longing and that divine connection with him, and that he has never left me only. So, and when she sang that day, I cried again, just like I cried near Dada, and I said, and I'm not able to speak, but I felt, Dada, you had never left me. You are always with me, and you will always be with me. So we are not alone. You are there with me. Dina Bandhu Dinanath, Meri Dori Tere Haath. Thank you.
Thank you, Muskan. Now we have Auntie Kavita Kataria, who will share.
मूं कॾहिं स्टेज ते ॻाल्हायो कोन्हे, पर सभिनी जो ॿुधी ॿुधी मूंखे दादा जी हिकु हिकु ॻाल्हि अची यादि पई। छाकाणि दादा रहंदा लोनावला में बंगले में, असांजो बि बंगलो उते हो, त असीं कंहिं न कंहिं बहाने हुन सां मिलंदा, जेतोणीकि अलाउ कोन हो, पर असां हथ पेर जोड़े करे उनजो दर्शन ज़रूरु कंदा हुआसीं। पोइ धीरे धीरे उनजा ॿ टे माण्हू असांजे बंगले में सुम्हंदा हुआ, तीअं तीअं असांजो दादा सां कनेक्शन वधंदो वियो। न को सत्संग, न को छा, पर हिकिड़ी अटैचमेंट हुई जो मूंखे छिक थींदी त भई दादा हिते आहिनि, ऐं मोस्टली असां उन टाइम ते उते हूंदा हुआसीं। ऐं मूंखे अञा ताईं पछाड़ीअ जी सीन यादि आहे, जॾहिं दादा गुज़ारे उन खां हफ़्तो या 10-12 ॾींहं पहिरीं बंगले ते आया, त असांखे अलाउ न पिए कयूं दादा सां मिलणु। असीं हमेशह दादा लाइ कुझु न कुझु खणी वेंदा हुआसीं, त चयोमांसि मां हथ ते जोड़िया, भई असांखे भले न अंदरि अचणु ॾियो, पर हीउ जेको प्रसाद आंदो उहो दादा खे कीअं बि करे ॾियो। त मूं ॿाहिरां उन्हनि खे मोकिले ॾिनो। अंदरि कुदरती कृष्णा हुई, कृष्णा उन्हनि खे ॾिनो, चई कंहिं ॾिनो आहे, त हुन ॿुधायसि। असांखे अंदरि सॾु कयईं ऐं असांखे आशीर्वाद ॾिनई, ऐं हमेशह प्रसाद बि ॾींदा हुआ। ऐं असांखे जाम आशीर्वाद दादा जो मिलियल आहे। नसीबनि वारा आहियूं जो पासे में रहिया पिया आहियूं। मुंहिंजा कज़न हिन जा ईअं खंचो शिष्य हुआ। फस्ट दादा सां मुलाक़ात, गॾु वेही नाश्तो खाधोसीं। सेकेंड मुलाक़ात असां हुन सां गॾु पंधु करणु वियासीं लोनावला में, अंदरि ई अंदरि हिकिड़ी घिटी हुई उते। पर ऑन द होल वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग ऑफ दादा, जो तॾहिं कॾहिं सत्संग न, कुझु बि न, पर हीअ ॿुधी ॿुधी मूंखे बि दिलि थी त भई मूंखे उहो दादा जो सॼी सीन यादि पई अचे, भई कीअं असीं हुनखे पेरे पवंदासीं, कीअं असांखे उन में मुंहिंजो लकी आहे, मुंहिंजो घोटु बि। ही इज़ द मोस्ट। दादा ईंदो सिधो हुन वटि असुलु गिरी वेंदो, त लास्ट ताईं असांखे हुनजे आशीर्वाद आहे, अॻिते बि रहंदी। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच आंटी। last but not the least, we have. You like to speak something, Jacob? Now we have Shivani.
दादा श्याम, मुझे बात तो बहुत करनी थी, but seeing the time, I'll try and cut myself short. Okay, I won't. This was only as recent as 2015 that Dada met me, and that also at a point of time where I felt, I had a lot of challenges in life. And I was very agitated, very irritated. And in the middle of that, my family said, let's go to Goa. I said, why Goa? We're going every 6 months. I don't want to go. I want to I need time. I want to sort things. And they said, no, we'll go. So in that thing, I said, Goa kyun ja rahe, Goa kyun ja rahe? All the time it was that. And when we reached there, and I realized that Dada is also in the same resort where we were. Although, I used to stay just next to the Hinduja hall where he used to come, just next. But I never went there, never ever. And people would say, Dada has come, you're not going. I was like, no, I don't know Dada. No, I won't go. And there the connection was so instant. And I said, I have to meet him. And somehow, I got to attend a private satsang there, and since I had a lot of questions in my mind, Dada didn't look at me also, and he said something which touched my heart, and I said, how does he know this, what's going on in my mind? So he said that life is like a spring balance. What it goes down has to come up. And I was stunned. I said, Kaise? How does he know this? And then the connection, and then we all, 4 of us, our family met him. And my husband, who never ever believed in any guru, nothing, only he would go to the temple, he started crying. And I was like, why is he crying so much? And I was all stunned. So these were tears of joy, some connection, something deep with Dada. And I started coming to the center, and somehow got so attracted that I would go every other time to Pune. And the first time I went to Pune, Dada, he used to give his Meher Nihar, most of us, so we know, you all know what I'm talking about. And I would feel so excited, Arey wah, Dada ne mujhe dekha. Then I would get more impressed and interested that I want to go again. Again in 10-15 days I would land up. And this all I'm going alone. And then Dada was talking to me, some 2 words, sometimes just a gaze. And this kept on happening. And I kept on going all the time. Last, just before he went away towards the unseen, I remember 2018 early. Also, one of my visits to Pune, he just didn't look at me. When I was looking at him, he just turned his face away. And this again happened 2-3 times. I said, why is he not looking at me? Why is he not looking at me? And I realized that much later. I used to feel very hurt. कि क्यों नहीं देख रहे, क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे? Like, a baby, कि मेरे दादू मुझसे क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे हैं? I realized that he was trying to teach me a lesson that I am not going to be there in this physical form. So learn to detach yourself from this body of mine and try and go deep within. And I realized that इसमें भी उनका ही पूरा plan है. First by talking to me, by blessing me, and then suddenly by not looking at me at all. These are also blessings. One more incident I remember during the sadhana camp, one of the sadhana camps. I got an opportunity to go and speak with him, and I told him, Dada, you're my magic man. He said, he was listening. And I said, Dada, you've really changed my life. You've transformed me. And so please bless me. And he put his hand on my head. I remember that touch. It really jitters me. And I feel so blessed that wow, Dada ne mujhe bless kiya. And he told me one thing. Okay, I changed your life. Now it depends on you how you change my life. And I was like, of course, at that time I didn't understand what he was trying to say. But then I gathered that whatever he has been trying to explain to us, tell us, whatever path he is trying to show us, now it's my time to walk that path. So when we walk the path, जो दादा ने सिखाया, दिखाया, उसमें we change his life. And such a humble person, full of love, and I feel so blessed. देर आए दुरुस्त आए is what I tell myself. But एक complaint मुझसे रही हमेशा, why did I come so late? And I missed all those years staying just next to Hinduja Hall where he would come, and I never went even once. Such a, what should I say about myself? And he's blessed me in so many ways, so many ways. Every time I feel that he came into my life because he knew that Shivani needs me the most now. That is when I accepted him as my guru. I really want to say a lot of things. So when I was preparing na, घर पे prepare करके I had tears in my eyes. I was like, I'm going to go on stage and cry. Okay, I'm not crying, I'm glad. So I have a small poem which I wrote for Dada long back. So I would just like to say a few lines. You guide my life with love so deep. Your humble words are thoughts I keep. You showed me how to gently live, to always love and forgive. Your smiling face is like a light that guides me through the darkest night. Beloved Dada, be my guide and always stay right by my side. Thank you, Dada Shyam.
Thank you, Shivani.
I love Dada. We all love Dada.
We all love Dada. We have one tribute or an experience, but by Dolly Ghosh, who doesn't want to speak herself, but she has written it down, and Kavita auntie is going to speak on behalf of Dolly auntie.
Dada Shyam, Dada's memories are and will always be deeply cherished in our hearts. As kids, our parents would ensure that we do not miss any of Dada's programs, and still fondly remember attending the satsangs at Jai Hind College. Even today, Dada's affectionate greeting, Munja Pyara Bhauro and Munjum Pyaryu Bhenaru, continues to echo in my heart. Dada's humility, folded hands, gentle smile, yet profound words remain a constant source of inspiration. One memory that will always stay with me forever is when I underwent a complicated knee surgery. As I lay in the operation theatre before going unconscious, I could only remember Dada and kept taking his name. I had a vision of Dada blessing me, and that gave me immense strength and peace. I truly believe Dada's blessings carried me through and my surgery was successful. Thank you, Dada, for your unconditional love, your guidance, your blessings, and everything you have given us. Please always keep your loving hand on all of us. Thank you, Dada. Dada Shyam, Dada Shyam.
Thank you, Dolly auntie.
Dolly Ghosh, I have just spoken on her behalf.
प्यारी संगत, सुभाणे जो ॾींहुं विसारजो न। 8:30 बजे सत्संग शुरू थींदो। सुभाणे सुबुह जो 8:30 खां 9:30 ताईं महायज्ञ जो स्पेशल सत्संग आहे, जंहिं टाइम ते प्यारे दादा ही चोलो छॾियो। त तव्हां सभिनी खे वेनिती आहे त ज़रूरु अचिजो ऐं उन टाइम जी आसीस ज़रूरु अची वठिजो। उन खां पोइ सॼो ॾींहुं सत्संग आहे। ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, इवनिंग स्नैक एंड डिनर सभु हिते ई अथव। त भले पंहिंजा किचन बंदि करे हिते ई अचिजो ऐं सत्संग ऐं कीर्तन जो आनंद अची ज़रूरु वठिजो। तूं ठाकुर तुम पई अरदास